I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can send voice messages on Telegram. So Telegram is an app which was developed to send and receive messages. It's similar to Viber. You need to create Telegram account using your mobile number. So if you don't have a mobile number, you cannot create a Telegram account. But if you have, you can create a Telegram account and you can add your other friends who have also created Telegram account using their mobile number. Alright. So let me show you guys how you guys can send voice messages to your friends on Telegram. So I'm gonna go to my friend's chat in order to send him a voice message. So I'm gonna click on my random friend over here. So I'm gonna click on sticker downloader. So once I click on sticker downloader, so if I want to send him a voice message, what I can do is you can see a little voice icon at the bottom right corner of my screen over here, a little microphone icon. I can click on it. And over here, it's going to show me this. So click on it again and change to, microphone. I only showed you this because some people are going to have this thing, alright? So if this thing is on, make sure to tap on it again and make sure it's on microphone. Once it's on microphone, you want to hold on microphone. And once you hold on microphone, until you hold on the microphone, it's going to keep on recording your voice. As you guys can see, I have been talking for 7 seconds. Now, the instant I remove my hand or like my finger from this microphone icon, it's gonna stop recording and the audio which I just recorded is gonna be sent to my friend over here. As you guys can see, now let me play the audio to show you guys what I just said. So as you guys can see, that's how you guys can send voice message on Telegram. Just hold on the microphone icon and it'll start to record. Once you release the hold, it's gonna be sent.